cabin 3235. This is an interior cabin on the Wonder of the Seas. Now, as soon as you come in through the door, you have your closet to the right. There's about 10 hangers in here. And then on this side, it's actually a little loud, but you've got 6 shelves right here. You also have a safe. It is not big enough for a laptop, but it is big enough for your passports, wallets, jewelry, things like that. Now, as we make our way in, you have 5 drawers right here, and you have your refrigerator here as well. Now, over by the bed, you do have 2 nightstands. One has the phone on it, one is open. They both have lamps to them and a little storage area underneath. However, there are no electrical plugs there. So if you have a CPAP or if you have like a fan or something like that that you need to have on, then you're going to make sure that you bring a cable long enough to reach from the desk over to the nightstands. In this section, you do have the desk with chair. There's some storage area right here if you want to set something on, but there's no drawers for that. Now, let's talk about connectivity. Right here, you have 2 110 plugs. You have a Euro plug and you have 2 USB-C plugs and your light right here. So if you're looking for charging, you've got 2 regular, 2 USB, 1 Euro. And then over here, you have 1 110 and 1 Euro plug. So there's plenty of places to plug things into. You may need an adapter, like a Euro adapter, so you can use that for some extra charging capabilities, but it's actually pretty well set up. Now let's go check out the bathroom. And one thing I love about the Wonder is there's no creepy shower curtain that wants to stalk you while you're showering. Now, also they have up here this little round thing. You pull out the cable and you hook it in here. There's a little knob right here that you can tighten it and it'll make the line tight, or you can turn it to the left and loosen it to take it out of here. Now, if you pull this down hard enough, it will actually sound the ship's horn. So be careful how hard you pull on that. I'm just kidding about that, but that would be pretty cool, right? Now, other things about the bathroom is plenty of mirror space, which makes it feel bigger than what it really is. You do have 3 shelves that have some areas for storage, plus the countertop. It comes with 2 glasses, so you can put your toothbrushes or whatever you need to in those so that they're not sitting on the counter. And then underneath of it, you do have some storage as well. Now, one thing I do recommend is that if you're going to be traveling, especially with more than one person, that you buy one of those plastic shoe organizers. You hang it over the door and you got all those pockets that you would put shoes into. It's a great place to put in your toiletries. But that completes our time here in an interior cabin. If you have any questions about it, let me know. If you have any questions about the Wonder of the Seas, let me know. I do have a full ship tour as well that you can look at. So there's a lot of things going on this ship. It is one of my favorite ships that I've been on so far. So if you're coming on the Wonder, you're going to have a wonderful time.